Hello there, my name's Ian Letman and I am a Lantra approved trainer for trailers on road and off road. And we're here today to run an event, point out the advantages and reasons why people should get sufficient training in the use of trailers with a view to road safety, personal safety for them and others. We will be covering characteristics of the vehicle and the trailer, the relevant weights that can be safely used, and reasons for the potential accidents, way to load trailers, and finally manoeuvring in a small space. All that will aid your ability to use these vehicles safely for yourself and for that of others.
Fi wedi dod ar yr trailer towing course yma heddi i trio codi ymwybyddiaeth o'r diogelwch wrth iws o trailer a i trio codi hyder, really.
Wy'n gwneud y cwrs heddi i codi ymwybyddiaeth o diogelwch o gyrru efo trailer ar y bac. A nawr bod fi'n gyrru mwy o trailers yn gwaith, mae fe'n dda bod ti'n adeiladu hyder yn neud e so bod ti'n lluniau'n saff. Da ni yn cynghori pobl i neud e, achos mae'n rhoi mwy o hyder i chi a mwy o hyder i'r pobl rownd chi'n gwybod bod ti'n gallu neud yn saff a bod pawb arall hefyd o gwmpas ni'n saff.